A wet dryer vent can be caused by a blockage, cold weather, or a damaged vent cover. To address these issues, start by unplugging the dryer and moving it away from the wall. Then, detach the vent duct from the back of the dryer and the external vent cover. Use an extendable brush wand to agitate and loosen any lint buildup before vacuuming it out, which can be done from either the internal or external cover. Once the vent is clear, reinstall the vent cover and reattach the duct to the dryer. Then restore power to the appliance. Additionally, insulating the vent can help. After cleaning the vent, wrap insulation material around the exposed parts of the vent pipe, ensuring a snug fit for optimal energy efficiency. Visually inspect the insulation for any gaps or use a smoke pencil to check for air leaks. If the vent cover is damaged, replace it by detaching the old cover, which may require unthreading screws or cutting away caulk. Then align and secure the new cover with screws and caulk. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue of a wet dryer vent and ensure your appliance operates efficiently.